welcome to my channel, Proudly Pigeonated. My name is Amara. Why do I always make a deal with my name? I don't know. Anyways, I'm really excited to have you on my channel. Thank you so much for joining in, and yeah, hoping you're excited as I am to learn more about Nigerian Pidgin English. So here is the spot to have all your Nigerian Pidgin English skills met. Okay, you're going to be learning a lot of phrases, idioms, dialogues, and maybe you might get to know how to sing Davido songs and actually understand what he's saying, right? Okay, so with me today is
Juliet is here again.
Yes.
Hello, I'm Proudly Pigeonated.
She's totally helping me out with my Proudly Pigeonated book here. So yeah, I have a new book out. It's called A Fun Guide to Learning Nigerian Pidgin English. And in this book, you have a lot of sentences and dialogues. And what I decided to do is to put out some of these dialogues on YouTube so you get to actually practice the words and hear the pronunciation. So we're just going to jump in and I'll give you a little context. In this dialogue, we're going to be looking at a fabric shop. I did go market. That's the name of this session. I did go market, meaning I'm going to the market. And so just a quick context. In Nigeria, we wear a lot of ankara. Okay, right now I'm not wearing ankara actually, but our camera guys wear ankara pants, shorts. But Nigerians love their ankara clothing, right?
We love ankara. We make all sorts of very
amazing,
fabulous, amazing clothes with ankara. It's our everyday outfit.
Exactly. So if you're visiting Nigeria and you want to go to an ankara shop, I would definitely encourage you to go check it out. So I have a little dialogue to kind of help you with that conversation. So I'm going to be Mama Buki.
Okay, I'm Justine.
You're Justine. Yeah. Okay, so welcome, customer.
Well done, you.
Which kind of material are you find?
We just a look.
Okay, no wahala. But how come you sabi speak pidgin?
I learn am.
Wow.
Madam, I want this one. This one now, how much?
This one 10K for 6 yards.
Madam, cost oh. Now how much be this last price?
Because this is your pidgin, they sweet me. I will give you 9K.
8.5 encore.
Now what for you? Okay, bring money.
Take the money.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Maybe I come again, no customer. So very short again, but gets to the point, right? Let's look through the words, the phrases here, the sentences. Of course, now welcome. Like if you go to a regular store in the US or I don't know, or Germany, like people would maybe nod and say hello, especially in the US and not so much in Germany actually. But in Nigeria, once you come in, everyone was like, welcome, right? Like people are they're warmer, yeah, customer, and they call you customer immediately. Customer, right? Because they want money. So yeah, so the first thing is when I welcome customer,
and then she goes like, well done, well done. She just emphasizes again, well done.
Yeah, she's kind of just saying, good job, or like kind of encouraging them. We do a lot of that, like we encourage the seller, exactly. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then my book says like which kind of material are they find? So material, the fabric, we call it material. Okay, so
the ankara fabric.
The ankara fabric is also called material. So she's asking what type of or what kind of material are you looking for?
And Justin says we just they look, we're just checking things out, we're looking around. She's like, which kind of money? So we just they look for it. We just they look for it. So it's just checking out what is happening.
Yeah, she says no wahala, but how come you have to speak pidgin? Because Justine is is another foreign worker, and I mean she's just very surprised that she speaks pidgin. She's like, whoa, how come you speak pidgin, right? Yeah.
And then Justin says, I learn it. I learned it. I learned. So I learned it. I learned how to speak.
Right. Yeah. So and she says, no. Again, coming back to like that emphasis, like. Wow, like surprise and now wow, like surprise again, like now wow, like you're too much basically.
And then she goes like, is it
madam, madam.
Madam, I want this one. Madam, could mean in this context, like, it's more like, yeah. So it's like, oh, I want this one. And so, this one now how much? So, this one now how much? And how much is this one? This one now how much?
Yeah.
How much is this one?
That's actually a very good sentence to know. When you want to buy something when you're in the market, you always have to ask like, this one how much? This one how much? Right? And then the lady says, this one, and she says yes, right? If you this one, it says, okay, this one 10K for 6 years.
Why? Madam, it cost to. It cost to. It took cost to. Sorry, madam, it took cost to. Now, how much is the last price? I think the last price is like, it's very common. Like, you just have to get the last price.
You have to ask for the last price. Yeah, you have to ask. Don't forget to ask for the last price, because in Nigeria it's like bargaining. You have to
always ask for the last price. And how much is the last price?
So okay, she goes, because this your speaking they sweet me, I will give you 9K. That means like because you're speaking pidgin and I'm really loving your pidgin, I'm gonna give it to you for my last price for you is 9,000.
I don't just think those to say 8,500 income. I mean, income is like, yeah. What about 8,500? 8,500. You sell for 8,500?
And then she goes, now for you, kind of like, hey, you're a tough bargainer, yeah? So she says, okay, bring money, means I bring the money.
Yeah. And then, madam, take the money. Take the money.
Yeah, so she goes, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, and then she ends with, make una come again, no customer. It means like, please come again. Like, don't come again. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, right? So that's a very common, typical market situation. People are very, very open, very warm. If you're buying fruits on the road or if you're in a store, people are just really normally very open and warm. Yeah. So I hope that was helpful. Love to hear about your experience in Nigeria if you go, material hunting.
And don't forget to ask for your last price.
Yeah, don't forget to ask for your last price. And thank you so much for tuning in. And thank you so much for tuning in, and hope this was very helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, again, in the comment section, let us know what you think, and look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to click on the notification button
and give us a thumbs up too.
Yes, like it, and see you later.
Later.